All right, so I was asked to do a comparison on a vehicle that was sludged up when it came in here and what the BG system engine dynamics. You can look at my videos from yesterday and see the 14 Explorer that was really bad. Here is what it looked like when it came in. This really nasty particles and stuff all over in the place. And then here's number 2 after the first engine cleaning. So let's look here. That's the one that came on it from the quick lube place. This was number 2. This is the first cleaning gallon from the BG engine restoration kit. And then here's number 3. A little bit, but not very much. And this is what the filters look like. Here's number 1, the original that came on it. A little bit lighter, number 2, and really light after the third one. So this is what was on the motor. This was the first cleaning, and this was the second cleaning with the engine rinse. So there you go. You guys wanted a comparison of the 3 filters? There it is.